Hi everyone, this is Mike from Citylite Realty. We're going to talk about a quick overview of the Toronto and GTA real estate market. First, we're going to talk about year-over summary quickly. The inventory is down 18.1%, total new listings. Average sale price are up 11.9%. Average days on the market is down 6.5%, and total residential transaction is up 17%. Total definition of supply and demand. Low inventory, average price has gone up, and your house will sell a lot faster. Let's talk about the next slide. The next slide, we're going to talk about definitely on detached homes in GTAs. First, we're going to talk about Toronto Central. We talk about the average price. We're going to talk about average sales to listing ratio. And then we're going to talk about average days on the market. Then we're going to go to York Region, Richmond Hill. We're going to talk about the same thing. And then we're going to go to Ajax Region, Durham Region, City of Ajax. We're going to talk about average sale to listing, and average days on the market. As you can see, Toronto Central detached homes for now. Detached homes, the average price is $2,157,000. Average sales to listing price is 95%. What does it mean is your house will sell within 95% of the asking price. And average days on the market is 44, which means the house will sell within an average of 44 days. Next, we're going to talk about Richmond Hill. Again, detached homes. Average sale price, $1,367,000. Average sales to listing is 96%. What does it mean is sells within 96%. And your house on average will sell within the first 50 days. Detached home, Ajax, Durham Region. As you can see, the prices are much cheaper, about $761,000. You're looking at about 99% of that asking. You're going to get 99% of your asking price. And the average days on the market is 29 days, means your house will sit on the market and will sell within 29 days. Now we're going to have a quick overview of a Toronto condo market. This is basically the slide about Toronto condo market for month of December only. The average sale price is $615,000. Total condos sold is over 1,000, and the new listing is 873 new listings. You're looking at about average sale to listing is almost 100%, and it takes 26 days to sell your home. We're going to talk about in this slide is about 2020 forecast and the trends. The way I see it, 2020 will be a seller's market. As we talk about the slide, supply and demand. So 2020 seller's market, GTA will lead the housing market in growing, not Canada and Ontario. I'm positive GTA will lead that one. Average selling price will be up by up to 10%. Mortgage rate will remain cheap, and it might even be easier to get a mortgage. The government may have a plan of easing the stress test, as you can see on these charts. As always, as what we promise, is your home sold in 29 days guaranteed, and we stand by it, or we will list your home for free. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 416-438-2000, or call me directly at my cell 905-409-5455. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys.